Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. So first of all, you have to open Play Store application from your phone. Download and install the Banana browser. After installation, open it. And then you will see an interface like this. Now type google.com on the search bar. And then tap on search. And then tap on sign in. And then you will land here. Now enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here Google will ask you to enter your password. You have already forgotten your password. Simply tap on forgot password. Tap on try another way. And then here Google has sent a verification code to your recovery email account. You are being asked to enter that code here. If you know your recovery email address and have received the verification code, simply enter it here to recover your Gmail account. If you do not have access to your Gmail account, simply tap on try another way. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. Either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number, simply tap on I don't have my phone. And then you will land here. And here you will see kind of error like this. Could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind. You don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Minimize from here. Now hold the Google app. Tap on app information. Tap on permission. Tap on location. Tap on don't allow. Tap on don't allow anyway. Minimize this one. Now hold the Google Chrome browser. Tap on app information. Tap on permission. Tap on location. Tap on don't allow. Tap on don't allow anyway. Now go back. Here in the bottom, you will see browser app. Tap on it. And then you will land here. And here you will see Banana browser. Tap on it. Minimize this one. Now go to settings from your phone. Scroll down. And then here you will see Google. Tap on it. And then you will land here. And here you will see Google services. At the top right side, you will see three dots. Tap on it. And then here help option will appear. Tap on it. Here in the bottom, you will see search help. Tap on it. And then type. And then here you will see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option. Avoid getting locked out of your Google account. Tap on it. Scroll down and then here you will see the option. If you sign in with just a password, tap on it and then you will see sign in with your phone instead of a password. Tap on it. Scroll down and then here you will see learn how to see devices with account access. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here in the bottom you will see Gmail security and privacy settings. Tap on it. It will automatically redirect you to Banana browser. At the top left side you will see menu bar. Tap on it. Now tap on Gmail. Scroll down. Here in the bottom you will see help option. Tap on it. And then here you will see Google account. Tap on it. Scroll down and then you will see account recovery. Tap on it and then here you will see can't sign into your Google account. Tap on it and then you will land here. And here you will see you are having trouble with two-step verification. Tap on it and then here you will see your phone is lost or you can't use it. Tap on it. Scroll down and then here you will see recover your account. Tap on it. Scroll down and then here you will see recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it and then you will land here. And here you will see account recovery. Recover your Google account. Now enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. Then tap on next. And then here you will see change password. Now you have to set a strong password. First of all, you have to decide your new password. And then you have to confirm your new password. And then tap on next. Now quickly go to the account management section. Update your recovery email and phone number. The benefit of this is that if you ever forget your Gmail password in the future, you will be able to recover it very easily. Thank you for watching this video.